In the aftermath of the fintech boom, we're now beginning to see an exciting iteration in the fintech industry being called Fintech-As-A-Service. As financial technology continues to reshape the way we manage our money, businesses are eagerly exploring new avenues to leverage these advancements and stay ahead of the curve. Fintech-As-A-Service has emerged as a game changer, offering businesses a remarkable opportunity to tap into the vast realm of fintech capabilities without reinventing the wheel. So in this video, we'll explore the innovative approach to fintech service delivery that is reshaping the financial landscape. We'll highlight the benefits and challenges, use cases, and future prospects of the Fintech-As-A-Service model. If that sounds interesting to you, then let's chat about it. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeremy, and if you're new here and haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so because on this channel I speak about fintech, digital transformation, personal and career development. Now there are several factors that have contributed to the rise of Fintech-As-A-Service. Fintech-As-A-Service owes its existence to the evolution of the application programming interface or API economy. Now APIs act as the building blocks that enable seamless integration between different software systems. With the rise of open banking initiatives and the need for interoperability, financial institutions began exposing their APIs, allowing third-party developers to access and leverage their financial functionalities. Now, this shift towards open API laid the foundation for Fintech-As-A-Service by enabling businesses to consume and integrate fintech services easily. Another key factor that facilitated the emergence of Fintech-As-A-Service is the widespread adoption of cloud computing. Now, cloud-based infrastructure, with its scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency, became the perfect enabler for delivering fintech functionalities as services. Cloud providers offered secure and reliable platforms where fintech solutions could be developed, hosted, and accessed by businesses on demand. The accessibility and affordability of cloud computing played a pivotal role in making Fintech-As-A-Service a viable and attractive option for businesses of all sizes. And thirdly, Fintech-As-A-Service has thrived due to the collaborative nature of the fintech industry. Traditional financial institutions recognize the need to innovate and collaborate with fintech startups to meet evolving customer expectations. This led to the establishment of fintech ecosystems where established players and startups joined forces to create new and disruptive financial services, and through these ecosystems, Fintech-As-A-Service providers emerged, offering specialized fintech services that could easily be integrated into existing financial infrastructures. But let's take a step back and first answer the fundamental question: what exactly is Fintech-As-A-Service? Now, Fintech-As-A-Service, or FAAS, refers to the practice of offering fintech functionalities as services to businesses, enabling them to leverage cutting-edge financial technologies without having to build them from scratch. This means that businesses can access ready-made fintech solutions and integrate them seamlessly into their operations. For example, imagine you run a small online store selling handmade products. To process payments, you could either build your own payment processing system from scratch or use Fintech-As-A-Service. You could integrate into Paystack's ready-made solution via API into your own website, allowing your customers to make secure online payments easily. This saves you time, resources, and the hassle of building and maintaining a complex payment infrastructure. So Fintech-As-A-Service empowers businesses like yours to leverage advanced financial technology capabilities without reinventing the wheel, ultimately helping you focus on what you do best, which is creating and selling your unique product. Now, Fintech-As-A-Service is composed of several key components that make it such a powerful tool for businesses. So let's break down these components and understand how they work. Firstly, as we've previously mentioned, Fintech-As-A-Service relies on API integration. APIs, or application programming interfaces, act as the bridge between businesses and fintech capabilities. They allow businesses to connect their systems with the functionalities offered by Fintech-As-A-Service providers, enabling seamless data exchange and interaction. Secondly, Fintech-As-A-Service adopts a modular approach. Fintech services are broken down into smaller, reusable components, making them highly flexible and customizable. This modularity allows businesses to select and integrate the specific fintech functionalities they require, tailored to their unique needs. Thirdly, another crucial aspect of Fintech-As-A-Service is customization and white labeling. This means that businesses can customize the fintech solutions they access through Fintech-As-A-Service to align with their brand identity and customer experience. It enables businesses to create a seamless and consistent user journey across their platforms. And finally, Fintech-As-A-Service offers scalability and flexibility. Businesses can easily scale their fintech capabilities up up or down based on demand without the need for extensive development efforts. This flexibility allows businesses to adapt quickly to market changes and meet customer expectations efficiently. So now that we understand the core components of Fintech-as-a-Service, let's explore the benefits it brings to businesses. Now, firstly, Fintech-as-a-Service brings efficiency and time saving to businesses. Instead of investing time and resources in developing fintech functionalities from scratch, businesses can access ready-made solutions, significantly reducing development time and accelerating their time to market. Secondly, Fintech-as-a-Service is cost-effective. Building in-house fintech capabilities can be expensive and resource-intensive. Fintech-as-a-Service allows businesses to access advanced fintech functionalities at a fraction of the cost because you only pay for the services you use. This cost-effectiveness enables businesses to allocate their resources strategically and focus on their core operations. Thirdly, another key benefit of Fintech-as-a-Service is access to expertise. Fintech-as-a-Service providers specialize in fintech solutions, bringing extensive knowledge and experience to the table. Businesses can tap into this expertise, gaining access to cutting-edge technologies and industry best practices without the need to hire and maintain a dedicated fintech team. And lastly, as we've alluded to, Fintech-as-a-Service allows businesses to focus on their core competencies. By outsourcing fintech capabilities, businesses can concentrate on what they do best, whether it's providing exceptional customer service, product development, or marketing. Fintech-as-a-Service frees up valuable time and resources, enabling businesses to maximize their strengths. Now that we've explored the benefits, let's look at some of the real-world use cases and applications of Fintech-as-a-Service. Now, one popular application of Fintech-as-a-Service is banking-as-a-service. Now, non-banking businesses can leverage Fintech-as-a-Service to offer banking services to their customers, such as account management, payments, and transfers, without having to become a fully licensed bank themselves. Synapse is an example of a fintech offering banking-as-a-service that companies can integrate into their own technology platforms. Payments-as-a-service is another prominent use case of Fintech-as-a-Service. Businesses can integrate Fintech-as-a-Service solutions to streamlining their payment processing, accepting various payment methods securely and seamlessly. This eliminates the need to build complex payments infrastructure from scratch. Lending-as-a-service or credit scoring-as-a-service is yet another powerful application of Fintech-as-a-Service. Businesses can leverage Fintech-as-a-Service to provide lending platforms, offering loan origination services, underwriting, and risk assessment capabilities without the need to develop these capabilities internally. Jumo is an example of a lending-as-a-service platform that takes the load off the core banking platforms of financial service providers to make the process of lending more feasible, scalable, and cost-effective for them. Next is compliance-as-a-service, which is an essential use case of Fintech-as-a-Service. Regulatory compliance is a crucial aspect of the financial industry. Fintech-as-a-service providers offer solutions that assist businesses in meeting regulatory requirements, managing compliance, and reducing the burden of staying up to date with constantly changing regulation. Now, while Fintech-as-a-Service offers numerous benefits, businesses should also be aware of the challenges and considerations associated with its implementation. Firstly, integration complexity is one potential challenge businesses may face when adopting Fintech-as-a-Service. Integrating Fintech-as-a-Service into existing systems and workflows requires careful planning and coordination to ensure a smooth transition and compatibility with the existing infrastructure. Data security and privacy is another consideration. Now, when outsourcing fintech capabilities to Fintech-as-a-Service providers, businesses must ensure that adequate measures are in place to protect sensitive customer data and comply with data protection regulations. Next is vendor selection. Now, this is crucial when adopting Fintech-as-a-Service. It's essential to choose reliable and reputable Fintech-as-a-Service providers that align with the business's needs, values, and long-term goals. Through research, due diligence, and considering customer reviews, you can help in making an informed decision as to which Fintech-as-a-Service provider you should go with. So what does the future hold for Fintech-as-a-Service? Now, let's explore some exciting trends and innovations. The Fintech-as-a-Service landscape is continuously evolving. We can expect to see advancements in technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain, which will further enhance the capabilities of Fintech-as-a-Service. This will drive even more innovation and disrupt traditional financial service models. Additionally, the growing demand for personalized experiences and the increasing focus on sustainability will likely influence the future of Fintech-as-a-Service. Fintech-as-a-Service providers will need to adapt adapt and develop solutions that cater to these evolving needs and preferences. In conclusion, Fintech as a Service is transforming the financial industry by offering businesses ready-made fintech capabilities. With its benefits of efficiency, cost-effectiveness, access to expertise, and a focus on core competencies, Fintech as a Service enables businesses to unlock new opportunities and deliver better financial services to their customers. So whether it's banking, payments, lending, or compliance, Fintech as a Service provides businesses with the tools they need to thrive in today's digital era. However, it's important to consider the integration challenges, the data security, the vendor selection, whilst adopting Fintech as a Service. I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, remember to hit the like button and leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.